Upressa one. You ngeke ulwini ibhola upressa one. Now uLitlhaku here, he needs to be here. You need to close down this. You see this space here between uLitlhaku and Allende. You need to close down this space, my man, because if they find the man, they find him with a pass, we are dead. Sleeping on duty. Baphumile. Now, you can't be sitting, you are a defender, and then you defend like this. Bafethu, no matter what you are avoiding, no matter what you are avoiding a penalty. The man is coming one against one. What are you going to do? Set yourself properly. You need to set yourself properly. You can't be good umuntu yamiyekela adlule. It's one against one. You do this. Sugar. But yeah, I'm focusing on it defending. About Johannes. We defender nice. We defender ngafuna ukulimala. Beautiful shot, beautiful goal there. Mara about Johannes. Kanti ufuna uyidefend njani wena engafuna ukulimala? Awufuna ukuthintwa wena. Bafethu.